Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a photo album or a photo gallery in your Wix website. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open wix.com and create an account or log in. And once when you've logged in, and if you are creating a website already and you have to add a photo in that, so what you need to do is you have to click here on design site. And this is the site that I was creating. It's a blog website or a blog post, you can say that. We have to click here if the zoom is too much, and then we have to come down and click on add section. Now when we click on add section, a separate section from this website is created if we want to do anything on that particular section. So I need to add photos in this section. I have to make a photo album here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on add elements, and then I am going to click here on gallery because I need to make an album or a gallery. I don't need just one picture here. I need a couple of pictures in the form of a gallery. Now, when you click gallery, there are many options that you can select. I'm going to go to slider and I'm going to hold it and drag it and put it here. Now, once when you're here, you have to click on change images. Now, these are some random images which were available with this template that I've selected. I am going to remove them because I don't need these pictures. Once I've removed all of them, I am going to add my own pictures. So I'm going to click on add images. And these are the pictures that I have uploaded already. So I'm going to hold command or control if you have a Windows PC or laptop. And when I have selected all these pictures, I am going to click add to gallery and then done. Now you can see that my images are displayed here. It's in the form of a slider. So when I'll click on preview, the pictures are going to slide according to the settings which I have used for this particular slider. If you need to see those settings, you can click here. And you can see it's going to give us some options that we can tweak according to our needs. Like if I want navigation arrows, or I want a play button, or I want autoplays, that's completely up to me. If I want a specific transition with my these photos, that's completely up to you. You can select it the way you want to select it. And once when you're done with this, you can just click here on preview, and it's going to show how does this picture or this gallery looks when the website goes to live. So you can see I can change these pictures right here. So this is how you add photos to your Wix album. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.